credit management training program. So this program we are going to start from 1st of May. Basically, under this credit management training program, what we shall be doing, we shall be having different levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Level 1 will be for beginners who basically want to have the basic idea of credit in banks or any other financial institutions. Level 2 will be for those participants who has got fair idea of basics of credit and would like to enhance their skills and knowledge. Level 3 will be corporate finance, infrastructure, who has got who are working in the credit department, and we will be training them regarding corporate finance, infrastructure finance, credit syndication, credit risk management, arranging foreign funds, and all intricacies of exports and import loan. And then level 4 will be for to manage and control credit. Basically, this will be from the perspective of the controlling offices, like synchronizing between planning, development, framing, credit policy, target setting. All those things will be taken care of. So we are now starting level 1 from 1st of May. In this level 1, actually, if you go through the level 1 program, you will find yourself comfortable to join our level 2 program also. In this level 1 program, we will be having 15 sessions. And first, I just give you the details of those sessions. One will be, first session will start from 1st of May. Now that our session will be on 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. on every Wednesday and Saturday. So we will be starting on Saturday, May 1, then every Wednesday and Saturday we will be continuing. Our session 1 will be introductory session and principle of sound lending. Section 2 will be credit appraisal process and due diligence, 3 types of securities and credit facilities, then understanding balance sheet, then CMA and operating statements, learning basic ratios. Then 7th will be reading CIBIL reports and scores of individuals and MSMEs, then working capital assessment, term loan appraisal, concepts of non-fund based facilities like bank guarantee and letter of credit, and basics of loan documentations, priority sector advances, loans under government schemes to MSME, Mudra, CGTMSE, then basics of pre and post sanction supervision and follow-up. And last will be summing up of all these training sessions. Let us learn what we have learned and open session. So friends, our basic objective of this level 1 program is to gain basic skills in credit, judge the proper selection of borrowers, understanding financial statements and calculate various basic ratios and their interpretations, independently appraise working capital and term loan for MSME units, interview the borrowers and prepare the appraisal note, sanctions the proposal independently, handle loan documents and create requisite charge on securities, and effectively undertake inspection, follow-up, and monitor the loan proposals. Friends, all these topics will be deliberated by the experts in the banking industry. So our program director for this program is Mr. Vaman Gokhale, former Deputy General Manager and Central Bank of India. He has got vast experience in the field of giving training. So friends, for all these 15 sessions, we have put up a nominal charge of 2,000 rupees. Friends, you all know Banking Quest is basically main aim of Banking Quest to keep updated the bankers and the persons working in the finance sector. It is our passion to impart our knowledge and keep themselves updated. So we are simply, our main motto is not to earn profit at all. We are charging nominal charges first to recover our expenses, but more to make the participant serious about the program so that he can come and attend these programs. So these are nominal charges. Anybody who wants to join it, he can straightaway go to our website and enroll over there, or there is one this Google form also. We can share it with you. You can simply fill it up and deposit 2,000 rupees and submit the form. We will be sending you the link. So friends, please join and ask your colleagues and other friends to join this program. This is very, very effective program in the present level scenario.